Hi, Pavan.
Hi, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. So, this is Savitri from Quality Department. Today, I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. First of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Pavan. I am from Anandapur district, Dharmavaram, ma'am. I completed my BTech in Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences in Civil Engineering, Tirupati, ma'am.
Okay. Have you got to know about CMTI?
Ma'am, I get the reference from my friends, ma'am. They're already studying here, pursuing, ma'am, in B10 batches.
Okay. In CMTI, which course you have taken?
Ma'am, I taken from certificate course on construction advanced management, ma'am.
Okay. What you learn in that course?
Ma'am, along with construction CSEM course plus BIM, ma'am. In that course, I learn building of quantities, bargaining schedule, quantity surveying, sequence of drawing, readings of drawings, ma'am.
Okay. What are the softwares you have learned?
Ma'am, I learn SketchUp, AutoCAD, Revit, and etc. Ma'am.
So, you have visited various site and showroom, is it right?
Yes, ma'am. I visited a DCP command center, ma'am. And another one is Vishwesvaraya Rainwater Harvesting Center and IBO, Material Depot, IKEA, ma'am.
Okay, what you have learned in the site and showroom, is it?
Ma'am, inside I learned from PT slabs, ma'am. PT beams and PT slabs in DCP command center, ma'am. And coming to the rainwater harvesting center, Vishwesvaraya Rainwater Harvesting Center, I learned how we recharge the groundwater, ma'am. In coming to the IBO, we learn about the interior materials, what we are using, and the type of materials, ma'am.
Okay, Pavan. For which role you have selected?
Ma'am, I selected for the graduate engineering trainee in site engineering, ma'am, for site engineering.
Okay. How many rounds are there?
Ma'am, there are 5 rounds, ma'am.
What were the rounds?
First is a logical and aptitude test is round is there, ma'am. Second one is HR group discussion and HR, and final round is with director, ma'am.
Okay, you have used our CMT app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What were the benefit in that app?
In CMTI app, we can learn everything, whatever the civil engineer wants is there present in CMTI app, ma'am. It is useful for the civil engineering student to grow their future.
Okay. How was the coordinator and trainer supports towards you?
Yes, ma'am. Mainly, I will say the Savitri ma'am and Vashni ma'am, coordinators. They are very helpful to teach, ma'am, how we contact with the coordinators and with the HR people and with the daily classes, ma'am. And coming to the our trainers, ma'am, Natarajan sir and Natarajan sir is very teach me very well, ma'am, about how do we behave like a place in a company and how do we work like that. They're politely saying, ma'am. And coming to Tamil sir, they give a good interview guidance, ma'am, about how to we behave in an interview with the HR people, how we have to talk with that people, ma'am.
Okay, finally, what do you want to tell your juniors and friends who wanna go to join the CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. I will definitely suggest to gain the knowledge for every civil engineering student. It is very useful, and in everyone's life, CMTI is playing crucial role, ma'am. When who have to interested to join in CMTI.
Okay, Pavan, thank you for your feedback. Once
Thank you.
again, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.